Hello students, welcome back into my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss for the second video, the second lesson regarding formula of the reduced multiplication, the basic laws of algebra. And the first topic we're going to learn is about cube of the sum. Let's get started. I'm going to start with this expression, a plus b cubed. How to solving these problems, how we expand this expression. We can expand like this, a plus b multiply a plus b squared. And it becomes a plus b multiply a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. On my first video regarding this topic, I have explained uh, about uh, about this expressions a plus b squared being a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you can evaluate, you can watching my previous video, my previous lesson. Right. Next, we're going to multiply a squared, a cube, a multiply to a b is to a squared b, a multiply b squared being ab squared. Now b multiply a squared becomes a squared b, b multiplied to ab comes 2ab squared, and b multiplied b squared is b cubed. And then we're going to simplify a cube. Look, this is 2a squared b. This is 1a squared b. So it's going to be 3a squared b. Then ab squared plus 2ab squared becomes 3ab squared. And the last term b cubed. So it means a plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now, how about if I'm going to the next space? If how about if m plus n cubed? According to this expression, these expansions of from this expression, m plus n cubed equals m cubed plus 3m squared n plus 3m n squared plus n cubed. So how about if x plus y cubed? Based on this information, this conclusion that x plus y cubed equals x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Okay, I think clear this one. Next, so what is the problem like this? 2x plus 5 cubed. Based on this conclusion, expansion from this expression, we can write it like this. 2x cubed plus 3 multiply 2x squared multiply 5 plus 3 multiply 2x b squared, oh sorry, 5 I mean, not b but 5, okay, is 5 squared plus 5 cubed. So it becomes 8x cubed, 8 because 2 cubed is 8, plus 3 multiply 4, 4 because 2 squared, 3 multiply 4 multiply 5, 3 multiply 4 is 6, sorry, 3 multiply 4 is 12, and 12 multiply 5 is 60. So 60x squared. And we're going to calculate this term. So 3 multiply 2 multiply 25. And it's going to be 6 multiply 25, 150 x plus 5 cubed. 5 cubed is 125. Next, how about if the problem is like this? Square root 5 minus square root 5, sorry, plus square root 3 cubed. Okay. Okay, based on the conclusions, we already expand from this expression, we can writing this becomes square root 5 cubed plus 3 multiply, according to this expansion, multiply square root 5 squared, multiply square root 3 plus 3 multiply square root 5 multiply square root 3 squared plus square root 3 cubed. So it becomes square root 125 plus, this is 5, 3 multiply 5, 15 square root 3 plus this one, 3 multiply, this is 3, 9 square root 5, and this is square root 27. So it's going to be 125 square root 25 multiply square root 5. This is still 15 square root 3, 9 square root 5. This is square root 9 multiply square root 3. I need more space. Square root 25 is 5, so 5 square root 5 plus 15 square root 3 plus 9 square root 5 plus 3 square root 3. Now we're going to calculate square root 5 and square root 5 becomes 14 square root 5, and then square root 3 with square root 3 becomes 18 square root 3. So this is the result of square root 5 plus square root 3 cubed. The next lesson is about cube of the difference. Now, if a minus b cubed. We can expand a minus b, multiply a minus b squared. And it becomes a minus b multiply a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Multiply a squared, a cube, multiply minus 2ab, 2a squared b, and next plus ab squared. This one minus a squared b, minus b multiply minus 2ab becomes 2ab squared minus b multiply plus b squared minus b cubed. And we can simplify, becomes this term, okay, and this term minus 3a squared b. Now this term and this term plus 2ab plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So a minus b cubed equals a cubed minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed. So how about if m minus n cubed? It is m cubed minus 3m squared n plus 3m n squared minus n cubed. How about if x minus y cubed? It's going to be, sorry, x, I mean x. Okay, it becomes x cubed minus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared minus y cubed. If the problem is 3x minus 4 cubed, based on this conclusion, we can writing like this: 3x cubed minus 3 multiply 3x squared multiply 4 plus 3x multiply 4 squared minus 4 cubed. And it becomes 27x cubed minus 3 multiply 9 multiply 4. It is 108x squared plus 3 multiply 3 multiply 16. It is 144x minus 64. Topic number 3 is about the sum of the cubes. Right. If a plus b multiply a squared minus ab plus b squared, we can expand a multiply a squared, a cube, a multiply minus ab minus a squared b, a minus b squared plus ab squared. B multiply a squared, plus a squared b, b multiply minus ab, minus ab squared, b multiply b squared, b cubed. So it becomes a cubed minus a squared b plus a squared b equals 0. As well, ab squared and minus ab squared equals 0. So the result, a cubed plus b cubed. Or we can write things as our conclusion. We can state that a cube plus b cube equals a plus b multiply a squared minus ab plus b squared. Pay attention that there is no 2 here, only minus ab. So how about if m cubed plus n cubed? We can state as m plus n multiply m squared minus mn plus n squared. And if x cubed plus y cubed, we can state as x plus y multiply x squared minus xy plus y squared. How about if square root 7 cubed plus square root 5 cubed? Based on this conclusion, we can writing this expression becomes square root 7 plus square root 5 multiply square root 7 squared minus square root 7 multiply square root 5 plus square root 5 squared. And it becomes square root 7 plus square root 5 multiply 7 minus square root 35 plus 5. So it becomes square root 7 plus square root 5 multiply 12 because 7 plus 5 minus square root 35. Next, how about if 3x cubed plus 8, okay, it becomes 3x cubed plus 2 cubed because 2 cubed equals 8. After that, we can expand based on this conclusion. It's going to be 3x plus 2 multiply 3x squared minus 3x 2 plus 2 squared. 3x plus 2 multiply 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. So we can state that 3x cubed plus 8 equals 3x plus 2 multiply 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay, next topic. Number 4, the difference between the cubes. Just now, we have I have explained about how about if a plus b multiply a squared minus ab plus b squared. And the result is a cube plus b cube. It's just now. So how about if a minus b multiply a squared plus ab plus b squared. So different with the previous one, the previous um, topic. Now, if we multiply this term and this term, a minus b multiply a squared plus ab plus b squared, it's going to be like this. A multiply a squared is a cube. A multiply ab plus a squared b. A multiply ab squared plus ab squared minus b multiply a squared minus a squared b minus b multiply ab is minus ab squared minus b multiply b squared is minus b cubed. A squared b minus a squared b equals 0. ab squared minus ab squared, 0. Then becomes a cube minus b cube. So we can state that a cube minus b cube equals a minus b multiply a squared plus ab plus b squared. So look, the previous one, number 3, that a plus b multiply a squared minus ab plus b squared becomes a cube plus b cube, or vice versa. A cube plus b cube equals a plus b multiply a squared minus ab plus b squared. And for topic number 4, a cube minus b cube equals a minus b multiply a squared plus ab plus b squared. So if a cube plus b cube, you can expand becomes this expression. Meanwhile, if a cube minus b cube, you can expand being this expression. So how about if m cube minus n cube? We can state as m minus n multiply m squared plus mn plus n squared. How about if x cube minus y cube? You can writing as x minus y multiply x squared, plus xy plus y squared. Next, how about if square root 6 cube minus square root 3 cube? Based on this conclusion, we can state as square root 6 minus square root 3 multiply square root 6 squared plus square root 6 multiply square root 3 plus square root 3 squared becomes square root 6 minus square root 3 multiply 6 plus square root 18 plus 3. It becomes square root 6 minus square root 3 multiply 9 plus square root 18. Okay, students, this is our lesson and you can review your lesson when you learn on school through this video. Perhaps this video is useful for you and being your extra lesson on your house. Thank you for joining with me in this lesson. See you